Apple CEO Tim Cook shares his journey from newspaper delivery guy to tech tycoon. Apple CEO Tim Cook, in a recent interview, shared his journey from where he started to becoming a top shot in one of the world's biggest tech firms. Explaining in chronological order, Cook talked about his first job as a newspaper delivery guy to bear his educational expenses. Following his graduation from Auburn University, he told about his first ever corporate role at IBM in 1983, where he had the chance to interact with a world of really smart people from all around the world. While reflecting on his early days, he noted, "I had no furniture at all. I was sleeping on the floor for a while before I could afford to actually buy a bed." The turning point came in 1998 when he was hired by Steve Jobs at Apple when the company was about to collapse. However, his visionary and product-centric approach resonated well with that of Jobs. Cook recalled, "He was a very different kind of CEO. He was focused on products, and had a belief that small teams could do amazing work." Assured of a turnaround, Cook remained diligent with Apple, extending unwavering support despite Apple's vulnerable financial posture in sight. Apple CEO also reflected on Jobs' perseverance aimed at consumers when the industry was undergoing transition to enterprise solutions. Cook said, "Everybody thought you couldn't make any money selling to consumers. I thought I had a chance of a lifetime to work with the creative genius that started the entire industry, and I didn't want to pass that up." Besides being so much into tech products, he mentioned that he was also interested in logistics and manufacturing, which he attributed to his background in industrial engineering.